Hey parents and caregivers, I've got the perfect solution to your child's reading journey. You're going to want to hear about this. But first, I need to tell you a secret about public schools. As an educator, I've seen some really worrisome trends that are going to impact your child's learning. There's a shortage of teachers. This means larger class sizes and fewer opportunities for your child to get one-on-one support if they need it. Sometimes close to 50% of a class can have learning and behaviorally challenged students. And with few, if any, additional supports available to them, teachers spend more time on classroom management than teaching and little to no time for one-on-one helping. This means our kids keep getting pushed up through the grades no matter their reading level, which perpetuates their decline. My friend has a grade 7 class and 3 of her kids are reading at a kindergarten level. That's not okay. So, I want to help. If you're a parent like me that would do anything for their children, then you know that you want to do the best to set them up for success with their reading. I'm not going to teach in schools anymore, for many reasons. So, I designed my own reading program using strategies I used in my classroom that had my kiddos reading in just a few months. I only have a handful of spots left in my free 5-day workshop, so click below to give it a try today. Both pre-recorded and live lessons, plus all the activities and games you need, means your child is learning while both engaged and, more importantly, having fun. Let's get your child reading today. Click below.